Hi guys, welcome to the CATWay. So in this video, we are going to solve our daily set. So before we begin, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Now let's move on to the set. What do we have is, he was 10 boys whose code names were the first 10 letters of English alphabet respectively, sat at a circular table to play a game called Guess My Number. Now each boy had a secret number in his mind and whispered it to both his neighbors. Then each boy announced the number that was the average of the two numbers whispered in his ears by his neighbors. And the line graph below shows the number announced by the each boy and the table given below the list of the two neighbors. All right. So basically what is it like is was A shouted, A announced number one. Okay. So basically one is the average of his neighbors. These are B and F. Correct. So from there you can find the sum of B and F to be equal to 2. Similarly for B announced 2. Now neighbors of B are A and J. So A and J ka average is 2. If A and J ka average is 2, A and J ka total is 4. Okay, on the similar lines we can write other values as well. Okay, so you get D plus G is equal to 14, C plus H is equal to 16, G plus I is equal to 10, A plus H is 20. Okay, C plus E is 12. Okay, D plus F is 18. Then you have E plus J 8, and then you have B plus I 6. All right guys, so next what do you have is, what is the secret number of C? Okay, so what you have is C. Okay, so C के लिए what do you have is guys, C के लिए if you see what do you have it, so C plus H you have and C plus E you have. Okay, acha, if you have to remove E, what you need is, you need to subtract C plus E, and C minus C plus E plus J you have to subtract from C plus E. So if you do that, what you get is C minus J. Okay, C minus J is equal to 4. Correct. And similarly, then what you will be needing is, you need a C plus J now. Okay, so if you need a C plus J, what you need is, let's see what we can do. Okay, so J is available with E and with A, right? So there is a J available with A. Okay, and next, how do we eliminate A? So we will be needing a H, and if you are needing a H, you need a C and a H. So you have everything. So you add A plus J to C plus H, correct? And then you subtract A plus H from there. So then what you will get is C plus J. And there the C plus J ka value will turn out to be 0. If C plus J turns out to be 0, 2C turns out to be equal to 2. Okay, 2C equals to 2. Sorry, 2C equals to turns out to be equal to 4, and C turns out to be equal to 2. So the secret number of C is option number A, 2. Other way could be, you could have added all of them, okay, and formed equations and solved. So what is the secret number of the 10 boys? So you see, you add them all up, you get 2 into A plus B plus up till I plus J. Okay, and this sum becomes total equal to 110. Correct? So from here you take to that side in division, plus C plus dot 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 plus I plus J ka value becomes 55. So the total sum is 55, that is option number B. And how many boys had a negative secret number? So basically you will have to find out every person's secret number. So for C we know it's 2. Correct? C we know it's 2. Achha, if C is 2, then what you see is was J will become minus 2. J will be minus 2. Achha, if J is minus 2, then A will be equal to 6. Achha, if A is equal to 6, then H will be equal to 14. If H is equal to 14, then C will be equal to 2. So that is sorted. Okay, that is sorted. What else do we have? Achha, then you will have to, I guess, make the arrangements again. Okay, you will have to. Achha, E ke saath J is there. So J is minus 2. So E will be equal to 10. Achha, if E is equal to 10, then E is again available with C only. All right, guys. So now this much we could infer from this. Afterwards, we'll again have to make some equations and calculate. Okay. So chalo boss, let's see who are left. So DI is left, B is left, F and G is left. Okay. So DG is together. Okay, DG is together, GI is together. So let's subtract GI from DG. We get D minus I is equal to 4. D minus I we get equal to 4. Correct? Next, guys, what do we have? What do we have with D is D plus F we have. Correct? So D plus F we have. So if you take D plus F and if you try and take Okay, D and F is there, correct? D and F is there. All right. And you have BI and BF is there, correct? What can we do? Let's see. So you have a BI also and a BF. Okay. So if you subtract these, so you get a F minus I, correct? You get a F minus I, which will be equal to -4. So F minus I will be equal to -4, correct? So F minus I, or basically you can say I minus F is equal to 4. I minus F is equal to 4. Okay. Acha, now what you see is it was D minus I is now equal to I minus F, correct? So from here, what do we get? That 2I is equal to D plus F, correct? 2I is equal to D plus F we get. Okay. Acha, D plus F का value do we have? Yes, D plus F का value we have. So I becomes 9. So boss, यहाँ से I becomes 9. Now if I is equal to 9, then B becomes -3. Okay, B becomes -3. Acha, if B is -3, then F is equal to 5. ठीक है. And if F is equal to 5, F is equal to 5, what else can we get? Where is another F? F is with D. So D becomes 13. Okay, D becomes 13. And then you have a G, so G becomes 1. So in total, how many negatives are there? There are only 2 negatives. So option number C becomes the right answer. Okay, option number C for the third question is the right answer. So with this, the set is complete, guys, and hope you are able to understand the set. Thanks for watching the video.